making outrageous 7-layer bars. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna go over what each layer is gonna have in it. So one layer is going to have Heath toffee bars. Then we're gonna also have graham crackers, butter, milk chocolate, sweet condensed milk, Rice Krispies, coconut cans, pecans, and then I really don't know if that's 7. I guess we'll find out. So the first step is you have to preheat your oven. And today we're going to be preheating ours to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you need a 9x13 baking pan. And then you're also going to want to use Reynolds Wrap heavy duty tin foil to line it. We dedicate this next step to Pam. Thank you, Pam, for giving us a wonderful spray. You want to spray Pam on your tin foil as if the tin foil already wasn't going to let it stick to the pan. So I've already processed a cup of Heath Bar toffee bits coated in chocolate. And now I'm supposed to ground up 12 of these graham crackers. 12. 1, 2, 12. But my little NutriBullet is not going to do 12 at once, so we're going to do like one at a time. So after combining the Heath powder and the graham cracker powder, melt 1 stick of butter and 4 into the mixture. Next, after well combining your butter and mixture, pour it over into the tin foil covered mechanism. Spread out. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Using a measuring cup, you're gonna wanna press. That didn't work. Hold on. You're gonna wanna, we're gonna use the side. Using the side of a measuring cup, you're gonna press this graham cracker mixture into the bottom. Won't work. And now my manservant will be putting our graham cracker mixture into the oven for 10 minutes. Next, have your manservant pour a cup of milk chocolate chips onto a serving board. Chocolate chips. And finally, grind them. Manservant has chosen the most difficult way to do this, but it keeps him busy while I rest.
Sounds degrading.
Pro tip, don't catch your chocolate chips on fire in the microwave. Yeah. Since the manservant couldn't chunk the chocolate chips properly, and we burned the batch after trying to attempt to melt them, we decided to just pour a cup of fresh chocolate chips over our newly cooked graham cracker mix and are waiting to spread them across this layer. Next, you're gonna need a cup of Rice Krispies. We're cheap and got Rice Crisps. After the Rice Krispies, then layer pecans, more chocolate chips, and coconut over in that order. Next, take 2 cans of the sweetened condensed milk. And no.
Drink it.
No. And combine it with 1 teaspoon of the vanilla. Now manservant will place the bars into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. We will come back and check on them then. So we took it out of the oven. It had some weird bubbles, so I'm kind of trying to get rid of them because I want them to look.
Hayut!
The thing we have to do is let them cool for not 1, but 2 hours. So go watch a movie and come back and they'll be ready. After letting them chill and soak, and I let them sit for like 20 hours instead of 2, I cut them up, and we now have our fabulous, somehow 7-layer, delicious, outrageous bars. You can definitely see there are not 7 layers in this. There's like 4. So I don't know why I lied. But it's good.